This is Flood, the grandfather of the man who invented flood. All that I knew, all I believed, are crumbling images that no longer comfort me. Scramble to reach higher ground, some order and sanity, something to comfort me. So take what is mine, hold what is mine, suffocate what is mine, bury what's mine. Soon the water will come and claim what is mine. I must leave it behind and climb to a new place now. This ground is not the rock I thought it to be. Thought I was high, thought I was free, thought I was there to find destiny. I was wrong. This changes everything. So take what is mine, hold what is mine, suffocate what is mine, bury what's mine. Soon the water will come and claim what is mine. I must leave it behind and climb to a new place. Water rising above me, thought the sun would come and live off me, but the truth has come and punished me instead. The grounds break down right out of me, cleanse and purge me in the water. So that's the grandfather of the man who invented the flood.